Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the PPB. So a very welcome to all of you on the official channel. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay. So let's start the session. In this particular session, we are going to talk about the AML KYC guidelines questions. So as you all know that we have started this particular session, that is a target series in which we are discussing 10 questions in each and every particular topic of your module A, B, and every topic we are going to cover here. So today's topic will be AML KYC guidelines part 1 we are going to discuss. Okay. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, I want to tell you one important thing that right now 81% discount and the double validity is going on all the Maha packs of the JAIIB and CIB. To enroll, you can use the code Y496. Apart from that, one more important information is that you will be getting the new target batch, that is a 3.0 batch from today onwards. So from, not today, from 17th of February, the new target batch is going to start. That will be your third target batch of the JIB. To enroll, the same code can be used, that is Y496, and you will get the 81% discount. Okay. So let's start the session. And before, this is the session's first question that is talking about non-profit organization transactions. Non-profit organizations transactions report pretends to dash in the account of NPOs. So which of the following is correct? So non-profit organization transaction report pretends to dash in the account of NPOs. Is it cash transaction? Is it all transactions? Is it your receipts above a threshold value, or is it a cash receipts? Which of the following is correct? So we are talking about non-profit organizations here. Okay. So non-profit organizations transaction report pretends to dash in the accounts of NPOs. Let me know which of the following is correct. A, B, C or D. So the right answer for this particular question will be your C option. The right answer is C, receipts above a threshold value. Okay, so receipts above a threshold value in the account of NPOs will be the NPOs transaction reports pretends to. Okay, now the limit will be given by the Reserve Bank of India. Now, second. So right answer will be your C option. Second question is talking about a designated director is responsible to ensure that the bank, which of the following? Right. So we are talking about that a designated director. So when we talk about the banks, the banks appoints two types of functionaries. One is your designated director. Second is your principal officer. Apart from that, AML team is also there, which is helping to control the money laundering and the terrorism financing in the banking system. So the question is asking designated director is responsible to which of the following activity? First option is saying has appropriate functional setup. Second is appropriate functional setup, system and process for KYC AML requirement. Second is saying keeps the KYC policy duly updated. Third is saying has skilled staff at all levels. Fourth is saying takes a suitable measure with changing complexion of money laundering and terrorism financing risk. So what do you think? Which of the following is correct? Only one and two, only 3 and 4, or all of the above? Which of the following will be the correct option for this particular question? A, B, C or D? In case of designated director's responsibility in a bank. So the right answer will be very good. The right answer will be all of the above. All of the above are the responsibility of the designated director. Okay, so right answer will be all of the above. Next, third question. Third question is talking about director FIUINT can take action against dash for violation of PMLA obligations. So the director FIUINT can take action against which of the followings in case of the violation of PMLA obligation? So what is PMLA? Prevention of Money Laundering Act, is it? So if or we can say which of the following, if not for which of the following options, if someone is not following the rules, regulations of the PMLA Act, or they have done the violation of the PMLA Act. Now Towards which of the following action can be taken by the FIUIND director? The bank, any employer, the principal officer, all of the above. A, B, C or D, which of the following will be correct? Okay, so the right answer will be all of the above. The D option will be correct, like the director FIUIND can take action against the bank, any employee, the principal officer in case of the violation of the PMLA Act. Okay, next, fourth question is talking about the offense of money laundering has been defined in which section of PMLA Act 2002. So under which particular section of PMLA Act the violation related to money laundering or offense related to money laundering is defined? So offense of money laundering is defined under section 4, section 3, section 45 or none of the above. So the right answer for this particular question will be your section 3. Under section 3, the money laundering offense is defined of the PMLA Act 2002. Okay, so right answer will be your B question. Now next, let's forward to the fifth question, that is talking about banks appoint a dash who is responsible for submission of reports to FIUIND. Right, what we are saying, that banks appoint the dash person or the dash authority who is responsible for submission of receipts. Submission of reports to the FIUIND. Now, what is FIUIND? Financial Intelligence Unit, India. So, is it a designated director? Is it a company secretary? Is it a principal officer? Is it a compliance officer? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Who is responsible for the submission of the report to the FIUIND? A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer for this particular question will be your principal officer. So principal officer is responsible to submit the reports to the FIUIND. Okay, now sixth question is talking about the reports to FIUIND are: first, cash transaction report; second, cross-border wire transfer report; third, non-profit organization transaction report; fourth, counterfeit currency report; fifth, suspicious transaction report. So out of these 5 reports, what do you think, which report should be go to the FIUIND? Only A, B and C, only A, B, D and all of the above. So let me know which report should be sent to the FIUIND out of these options. A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer for this particular question, yes, very good. All the above reports should be sent to the FIUIND by the principal officer. Okay, now next question, 7th question is talking about customers are typically categorized in dash risk categories. Now, in how many risk categories customers are categorized? The options are saying, is it 4 category, 3 category, 2 category or 5 categories? So in how many categories the customer will be defined or customer will be categorized as per the risk? Okay, so right answer will be 3 category, that is low risk customer, middle risk customer, and the third is high risk customer. Okay, so the right answer will be your 3 categories are there. Next, which of the following are the function of principal officer? Which of the following are the function of principal officer? Okay, so which of the following are the function of principal officer? The first option is saying that monitoring implementation of the bank's KYC AML policy, like you are monitoring the implementation of the policy, reporting to of transaction to and sharing of information with the FIU IND, that we have discussed in the earlier question. So this is the definitely right, है ना? The third is saying maintaining license with the law enforcement agency. It means communication. You have to maintain the communication with the law enforcement agencies. So the right answer will be all of the above. All of the above are the functions of principal officer. Okay, all of the above are the function of the principal officer. Next, ninth question is talking about that banks are required to furnish to FIU IND the reports pertaining to transactions of prescribed type and value at monthly frequency. Like every month you have to report, or every month you have to send this report to the FIU IND. So includes which of the following reports? So out of these options, which report should be sent to the FIU IND by the banks on a monthly basis? NTR report, CTR report, CCR report, or all of the above? Which of the following is correct? So the NTR report is known as non-profit organization transaction report. Okay, that is NTR. CTR stands for your cash transaction report. Okay, then CCR stands for counterfeit currency report. So out of these reports, which report should be sent to the every month, Hana, to the FIU IND by the banks? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? So the right answer for this particular question will be all of the above. The right answer will be all of the above. Clear? Next. Now objectives of KYC is are. Which of the following are the objective of KYC? First is saying to ensure appropriate customer identification. Second is saying to monitor transaction of suspicious nature. Third is saying to ensure that the customer would not deceive the bank. Or fourth is saying A and B. So which of the following is the objective of KYC? A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer will be your only A and B, not the C one. C is not covered under the A, objective of KYC. Okay, so the right answer will be only A and B. Chaliye. So these are the 10 questions which we have discussed today. Now let me know out of 10 how many answers you have given correct. Till then I will let you know that from 17th of February we will be starting the new target batch of the JAIB. That is going to start from 17th of February and it will be covering all the conceptual classes and ebooks and test series for all the 4 subjects of yours. And right now the 81% discount is going on if you use the code Y496. Apart from that, you will get the double validity with the 81% discount on all the Mahapacks of the JIB and CIB by using a code Y496. 81% discount plus the double validity will be available. Now, how to enroll in any of these products? You have to go to the Adda 24/7 application. If you haven't downloaded it, do download it because 1% additional discount will be there for all of you. Now, how to enroll? Just go to the JIB CIB section. If you want to go with the target batch, click here. And if you want to go with the JIB CIB Mahapack, click here. So these are the target batches you can see on the application available. So if you want to go with the English medium target batch, click on this particular batch. Okay, do read all the details. After reading details, you have to click on the buy now and enter a coupon code here that will be Y496 and click on the apply button. When you apply here, you will see 80% discount it is showing, but 1% additional discount will be available if you purchase from the application, right? Similarly, if you want to go with the Mahapack, the same pattern or same methods you have to use to enroll. Okay, what you can do, just click on the Mahapack, whatever you want to enroll, and do read all the details. After reading the details, you have to click on the buy now option. Again, you have to enter a coupon code here that will be Y496 and click on the apply. So you can see 1 year validity is there for the JIB Mahapack. Okay, so I personally believe that you can go with the JIB CIB Mahapack because 2 years validity is there. And apart from 2 years validity, it will be covering JIB and CIB both. Your elective paper, your compulsory paper. Your test series, ebooks, conceptual classes, revision batches, MCQ batches, case study batches, everything is there. Right, so that's what we are talking about. You can enroll in the JIB CIB Mahapack. That will be much better option for all of you to enroll. And this is the JIB CIB Mahapack. Okay, so this is how you can enroll. So let's end the session here. Those who are watching us on the recording, do let me know in the comment section how much score you got out of the 10. Okay, and we'll meet again at 8 a.m. for the Indian economy, Indian financial system session. So thank you for joining the session. But last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers that are 24/7, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay. So thank you for joining the session and have a very good day. Take care all.